So I think I have a problem with the ID. So I will gonna try to copy paste this code and I will try to run it on NetBeans. Let's see if it's going to run. If this is going to work. So already copy paste. So let's try it and paste it in NetBeans. So copy paste. Then warming plus. Okay, let's try to run it. Try to run it. So there, it's already run. I don't know why it's not working on JDuda, but it seems to be working fine here on NetBeans. So let's try. Wait lang. Number 4. Bank exit bank. Okay. So let's choose. These are operations. So first we need to deposit. Deposit is 3. So we are going to enter a amount that we want to deposit. Let's say 5,000. Let's say 20,000. 20,000. Enter. So di siya naka next line. So try to fix this and 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 and. So let's try to run it again. So deposit 3, 20,000. So nag-update na siya. Deposited amount to 20,000. Your new balance is 20,000. Enter the operation you want to navigate. So dito ulit tayo. May enter the navigate. Okay, sige. Then after that, we need to view balance. View number 1. Yan, your current balance is 20,000. So let's say mag-withdraw tayo. And nag-withdraw tayo ng 12,500. Then, so ayun na, nag-update na siya. Withdrawn, nag-withdraw tayo ng 12,500. Then, sinet niya, your new balance is 7,500. So, let's say, ayaw na natin. Naka-withdraw na tayo, syempre, tapos na, wala na. Exit operation, and yun, mag-end yung loop. So that's all, sir. Thank you. I am again Sean Matthew Gregorio from BS AIT 1-3.